then come sitting on your heels in rock pose. Get a cushion underneath your buttocks or straddle a cushion between your legs. Set yourself up for a comfy experience here in rock pose. And then you interlace your fingers and point your index fingers out. And then arms straight and above the head, connecting those index fingers to the heaven. And we're going to begin chanting the mantra Sat Naam. On the Sat, you're going to draw the navel in and up and contract the diaphragm. And on the Naam, you relax that belly. And the Sat is going to kind of come pushed out of you. The air is going to push out of you. And the Naam, you relax the belly. Eyes are focused up and in towards your third eye point. Keep contracting the belly on the Sat. Keep relaxing it on the Naam. Releasing the strength, the power from the navel to feed you, to support you. You're almost there. Keep it going. Increase the power of the mantra. Get loud if you need to. Just stay steady. This is one of the most powerful postures in Kundalini Yoga. You're inviting the Kundalini energy. You're inviting her to rise up and down your spine. Raising your awareness, raising your consciousness, so you can deal with these challenging times and be the leader that this world needs. Suspend the breath, squeeze the root lock, squeeze, squeeze, hold for a little longer, and exhale. Release the arms down onto your thighs, and just be with yourself right here, right now. No moving, no fidgeting.